Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a new product I've been using for about a week now, the AsiaHorse Snow White PSU Cable Extension Kit. The kit comes in a simple box. Normally the cables are wrapped in a separate plastic bag, but I already took them out beforehand. Inside you get one 24-pin ATX extension, two 6+2 PCI-E extensions, one 8-pin EPS extension, which I won't be using, plus some matching white plastic cable combs and the usual paperwork, which we won't be reading. The cables are made of braided fabric, which in my opinion looks much better than basic plastic ones, especially if you care about aesthetics. I strongly recommend using the included plastic combs. Without them, the cables tend to look messy and unorganized. You don't have to use every comb, just enough to keep things clean and in place. Now let's get to the install. I'm using the DeepCool CH560 digital case with a Gigabyte B760 motherboard and an NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU. Here you can see the stock black PSU cables. They're not my favorite. They look a bit messy and ruin the aesthetic. First, make sure the PC is fully powered off and unplugged. Start by disconnecting the GPU cable. Squeeze the clip and gently pull it out. Then move to the 24-pin ATX. This one takes more force, so be careful and support it with both hands. Since the EPS cable isn't visible in my setup, I'll leave it out. But if yours is, you can definitely use it. Now we plug in the AsiaHorse extensions. They fit perfectly, and the connection feels solid. Next, we route the new white cables to the GPU and motherboard. Already looking cleaner and sharper. Not bad, right? Now let's power everything back on, and it works perfectly. After about a week of use, I've had no issues at all. The look is clean, the quality feels great, and the price is honestly fair for what you get. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC builds and product reviews. Thanks for watching.